Hi, I'm Owen. I'm a wildlife illustrator and photographer, and look what arrived.
It's the stickers that I made last video. They finally arrived, I got to unpack them, and they're pretty cool. Not bad to say they cost me £1. So yeah, and I got 2 extra. I got 12 instead of 10. And I think they turned out pretty neat. If you're watching for the first time, last video I set up my own store with some buzzard prints, and I made these stickers and ordered them so that they could be packaged along with the buzzard prints as like a little bonus. I had to pinch one for my own water bottle sticker collection.
And now that the stickers have arrived, I could sort out some of the packaging.
Most of these I designed last video, but I just needed to print out and actually produce some of these. These are just little certificate of authenticity cards because liner prints are actually original artworks, so I thought it'd be nice to have these go alongside and just proof that you own an original artwork. I also own a stamp of my logo, so I thought that was a great way to kind of seal them, and a little extra touch, which I thought was nice. I also did the same on the back of my business cards. I just like the little personal touch that it adds to each of them. And then a little last addition to the authenticity cards. I wanted to add the edition of the print. So the person that first ordered would get first edition, second, third, so forth. So there's this little extra bonus for being an early supporter. I then rounded up everything that I'd made so far. And then I also thought it would be nice to include a custom thank you card with a sketch on it, just something really quick, but themed to the print, so I thought it would make a nice little addition to the package. Now it was time to collect some of the packaging material. I thought as a little extra touch, I could print one of the liners onto the back of the envelope. And I think these turned out pretty cool. Just a fun little way to add something else. Here's how they turned out. And now just to seal them, and I can take them off to the post office.
And that's it. They've all been sent out, hopefully to arrive safely with their new owners. Thank you to everyone that bought a print. It's awesome that I get to film this video, so thank you very much. If you would still like a print yourself and would like one of these packages, I have about 3 left now, so not many. I'll leave them up on my store, which I'll link in the description. If you'd like to grab one, that'd be awesome, and I can send you out a package as well. And thank you to everyone who's watched the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the progress from the first video and it continued into this one. It's been fun to film. I've enjoyed it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. And yeah, I'm not sure I have too much to say, so I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.